Good afternoon, viewers. I'm Naila Adisti. Today, we will be exploring a topic that has often been the subject of heated discussion, the issue of women's leadership. When discussing women's ability to become leaders, we must approach it from the perspective of gender equality. The gender equality issue that claims women's nature is not to lead, but rather to be the sex slaves of their husband is an interesting topic to delve into further. To discuss this more comprehensively, I will be speaking with Karina, a young woman with an open mind and educated perspective. She will share her thoughts on the issue of women's leadership and gender equality. Based on her extensive understanding of the topic, let's now turn to the studio where Karina is waiting.
Okay, today we are discussing the important issue of gender equality and examining the current condition, key challenge, and the vital role of education. I'm joined by an expert, Karina, to gain her insight on this critical topic. Okay, Karina, what does gender equality mean to you?
I think, in my opinion, gender equality means equal conditions between women and men to get their human rights as people who live in Earth, I think. And then, in order to be able to play a role in conditions to be political, social, economic, or anything else, sometimes anything else, women see is not really have a different things with a man. I think that is from the gender equality in this, my opinion.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Number 2, how do you see the current state of gender equality in your country?
I think in our country, the gender equality is not really full recognized very well from the government or anything else. There are so many cases, such as in the criminal things to women, to kids, or anything else for that. And then the challenge are the still many inequalities in the right between the woman and man. I think that.
Okay. The next question: what are the biggest challenges still faced in achieving gender equality?
I think the biggest challenge is from the government first, because we have so many motivations or communities in our government. There is still many people ignore about that the law of the rights, human rights, such as many cases and criminalities to woman against a woman or anything else, because woman seeing is really not sustainable as a man as usually. I think like that. And the people really ignore the things about the effect of that.
Okay, the number 4. Why is gender equality is important for our society?
Okay, in my opinion, we learn about gender equality is really important for our future. For the first, we have to work or anything else about educations. There are many things we have to learn about gender equality, such that we strengthen a country ability to develop and reduce the poverty. That is the point for the SDGs in Indonesia and govern effectively. I think that.
Okay. The last question: what role can education play in promoting gender equality?
Okay, the role of education in building gender equality is not just limited to providing the knowledge. We have to get the actions, such as we should have to get the knowledge or anything else, skills, communicators, stereotype or anything types, because we have to learn from educations, we study, we learn, and we have to know all the people in social media or anything else to the campaign. I think there is many effect from the people to see what is the important things in gender equality. I think that not really just education, but there is an actions
In
to get.
action.
Yes.
Gender equality remains an ongoing global challenge. Key issues include outdated cultural norms, lack of equal opportunity, and gender-based violence. Education is crucial to empower youth and change the mindset. Okay, thank you, Karina, for this
You're
insightful
welcome.
and informative discussion.
Yes.
Your input is invaluable in helping me better understand the complexity of the gender equality issue and the efforts required to achieve it.
Wow, the discussion from Karina and Jisdan was really interesting. Now, I want to look at different perspectives on the topic of women in the leadership roles on gender equality. To complement this discussion, I will be speaking with Widi and Ataya. Please go ahead.
Okay, Ataya, what does gender equality mean to you?
Okay, in my opinion, gender equality means that women and men have equal rights, opportunities, and access to research. It's about ensuring the gender is not a barrier to someone's ability to reach their potential.
Okay, so the point is to have an equal rights, right? Okay, the second question is, how do you see the situation of gender equality, especially in this country recently?
Okay, in my country,
Yes.
I would say we have made some progress towards a gender equality, but there's still a long way to go. Women have gained more rights and representation in leadership positions, but traditional gender norms and bias still persist, and especially in certain industries and rural areas.
Okay, so the progress is still making out, right?
Yes.
So the next question is, what are the biggest challenges still achieved to have a gender equality?
Okay, I would say the biggest challenge
Yes.
include deep-rooted cultural and social attitudes that see women as inferior or less capability than men. And there's also the issue of unequal access to education, healthcare, and economic opportunities for women in many parts of the country.
Okay. Fourth question is, why is the gender equality it's so very important to our society?
Okay, gender equality is crucial for building a just, prosperous, and sustainable society. When women are empowered, the whole community benefits. Children are healthier and better educated, economics are stronger, and societies are more stable and innovative. Equality allows everyone to contribute their full potential.
Okay. The last question is, what role can education play in promoting gender equality?
Okay, education is key to transforming mindsets and promoting gender equality. We need curricula that challenge gender stereotypes, provides equal opportunities for girls and boys, and teach respect and appreciation for diversity. Teachers, parents, and community must all be engaged in this effort to create a more equitable future.
Okay, Ataya, thank you so much for your time and for an awesome discussion in this evening. It gives me a lot of experience how to understand gender equality for men. So, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Back to reporter.
Okay, after hearing the very insightful discussion from the both different perspectives, it's very clear that achieving gender equality still requires sustained effort. Although there has been progress, cultural, social, and structural challenges remain, such as a deep-rooted gender bias and unequal access to education, health, and economic for women. However, gender equality is the key to building a just, prosperous, and sustainable society. When the women are empowered, entire communities benefit. In terms of children and health of education, economic growth as well as society stability and innovation. Education play a crucial role in shifting mindset and promoting gender equality. Curricula that challenge gender stereotype, provide equal opportunity and instill respect and appreciation for diversity, will greatly help create a more equitable and just future. Overall, a continued commitment from all segments of society is needed to achieve true gender equality. Only through this collective effort can we build a society to provide equal opportunity for all, regardless of gender. Thank you and bye.